Hello everyone, it's good to see you all again. Remember back in June, before summer started, when I dislocated my knee?
Okay, that's Kendall's knee!
I dislocated my leg yesterday. And there it is, all wrapped up. Well... Yep. I did it while playing Airsoft, but the thing is that I was technically just walking when my knee dislocated. Like, literally. I was walking and my knee popped out. Anyways, I thought I'd go down and, show y'all the awesome footage that I ended up getting, the awesome and random footage I ended up getting from, us playing Airsoft. Enjoy.
Oh.
One.
Where's it gonna...
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, damn.
Awesome. Yeah. Dude, man, there's some babies in that shit. Ow.
That scared the hell out of me.
Dude, it stinks too.
Alright.
If you shoot me,
We're not gonna shoot you.
3, 2, 1. Go loud, asshole!
Oh, it broke.
Oh man, it popped up. Broke. It cost me $50 damn to buy this piece of shit.
Gatos, 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 gatos. Gatos. We figured. Alright, he's ready. Kill him.
I see you and I see Ian.
Do you see me?
Yeah, dumbass, you're out in the open. Screen watcher. No. I look for the guilty in the mist, god damn it.
Oh no.
You're out?
Oh no.
Woo! Alright, got me in the ass. You're dead. The ass has got holes in it. Ass, you hit me in the spine. What?
Go for Kendall. Keep on going!
Oi! Kendall, you got another one coming your way, man. You better dodge.
Where's Dale at?
I saw where that one landed. Where'd it hit? I can't see. It hit him right in the ass.
Damn.
You okay? No.
It's gonna have to put my chin on it.
If you get up here.
That's kind of...
Forgot about us already, Kenji? Hey Kurt, try aiming. It helps. God damn it, I know he was back. One. He hit me once. You're empty.
Bitch, it's my new pants. Damn it! Why? How you like it? Ah, no! Oh my God! Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck? Achoo!
This is going on Facebook.
No hopping.
Oh God! Oh God!
Bow, now, down, 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 down.